Alright, so just a couple of minutes ago, I got the script working for my terrain generator. Let's take a look at it. So in all directions, I have randomly generating terrain using the stone block. Just the stone block for now. One step at a time. One step at a time. So each chunk is guaranteed to have blocks in it, even though this will end up being sky islands in the end. We have not got noise currently, so just bear in mind. Okay, so that loaded it. So we're just gonna hop over here, place block, and there is an assortment of things here. We're just gonna build over. Okay, here we go. Oof. All right, so let's go up because that's going to be easier on us. So I've got to be careful because I want to load the chunk first, and then I want to place the blocks inside. Okay, so this is a different assortment. I'll fix that in just a second. Like it's one number. I've accidentally created 17 by 17 by 17 chunks. I should have made 0 versus 1. Let's see if I can make this. Okay. So let's go to another one, just for laughs. Okay. Whoa, this one's full of tons of little bits and bytes. This is kind of fun, actually. All right, so infinite terrain with infinite terrain generation on some semblance of a noise pattern. I really need to work on this and fix that daft chunk error. So each chunk generates between 1 and 100 blocks currently. So in a snap of my fingers, I can change that. Probably in the end, we'll have 1 to 1,000 block radius for chunks. I'll just easy cap that will help performance. Actually, I might not take it a little further down, actually. A few hundred blocks or something per chunk. Got to deal with upbge performance, but that's not important. You see, what's important is that it works. And this is a big deal because this took a long time to write. It's pretty small. The actual code is like maybe not even 50 lines of code to get the entire system working. But that's mixed scripts, so there's also the load script, the unload script, the generator script, and it will expand as we add noise in. It's all good. Yeah. So now it's just we gotta form this randomness into islands. So we're gonna have to set a principle and some constraints about what can generate, and then we can start building our terrain from there. For now, it's just a bit of a random mess, but that's okay. That's okay. All right. So, with that, thanks for watching. This was our terrain generator as it is currently. Goodbye.